Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Naya Alexis here, and I want to thank you for coming back to my channel. Hello to my now older subscribers, and hello to my newer subscribers. Hey, how you doing, honey? Okay, thank you guys all for clicking on this video. I'm so happy to have you back on my channel. Y'all know your girl had to come in with the ponytail, period. There was a whole experience to have to get this ponytail, okay? I had to convince somebody to vote. That's a whole nother story. It was a lot, but my hair is cute and I'm really excited about my ponytail. We had senior photos today, so I had to get my hair done. And y'all, I straightened my hair and my curls, I feel like were yelling at me, but we're just gonna cross over when it gets there. Right now, it's cute in this style, okay? And that's all we're gonna think about. Period. Okay, this makes me feel bad and bougie. This is giving me bad and bougie. Bougie bourgeois, okay? I'm giving you black Shigo, even though I've never seen Shigo in a ponytail. Like, I'm just giving you intense. I'm giving you, I don't know what that was. Today, you guys know you're coming here for a kind of odd video, and I'm gonna explain, okay? I'm gonna explain. Don't say anything, don't judge me yet. I'm gonna explain, okay? I'm gonna explain. You guys know by the title, we're gonna be reacting to chiropractor TikToks. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed with watching chiropractors. You could call me weird if you want to, but I really find it satisfying. I also love going to the chiropractor. If I need my back, you know, a little pop, a little crack, you know, a little, you know what I'm saying? It satisfies me to watch others get that satisfaction that I need, if that makes sense. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna indulge in my weirdness and we're gonna try to do this together. Let me know if you guys like this in the comments, okay? Because I'm excited. I think we're gonna have a good time. We're just gonna see what's gonna happen on the TikTok, because TikTok, you never know what's gonna happen on TikTok. But first, y'all already know we had to do it. Y'all thought I was not gonna let y'all know to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. It helps my videos out so much. And also, now that we're here, I have over 400 subscribers. I'm speechless. Literally, like, you guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Thank you. Ah. If we keep coming like this, we about to have 1,000 by the end of the year. Period. Let's make that. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna strive for at least 800 by the end of the year. You guys have been supporting me and I really appreciate it. So make sure that you give the videos a like, okay? You subscribe to the channel. You know, if you want to tell your friends about me or whatever, you could do that, okay? So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Ooh. Okay, let me move because I'm gonna have the screen recording so y'all can see it on this side of me. We got chiropractor typed in, and let's just start. There's some that have like millions of little views here, so we're gonna start with, let's start with this 3.7 million one. See what he has to offer here. Oh. Oh. I've never had this crack before. Oh. He's like babying his. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh, shoot. That was loud, you guys. I've never had that where like you're holding the neck or the head like that. That startled me. Oh my goodness. Is he okay? Oh my lord. I'm sure he's fine, but wow, that was a loud one. That was like abrupt. I feel like you need somebody, like, you don't just need a regular chiropractor, like you need a professional to do something like that. Oh, there's one with the horse. I heard animals could get adjustments. Let's see this. Oh. Oh, I gotta stop twitching. Oh wow. Okay, so I guess horses can get chiropractic adjustments too. Wow, the horse didn't look like, I mean, it was still, but okay. So now we know that animals can get chiropractic adjustments. You're welcome. You learned something in this video today. Okay, let's go scroll down to some maybe. Let's do this one, this little low back release. I love this one. Ooh, y'all hear that? Ooh. Yes, okay. Those are all, that one's my favorite. Let's just talk about that for a second. The little worm, like the one where you're about to feel like you're about to fall off the table, clutch. Because I don't know about y'all, but my lower back be messing up sometimes. And you know, you gotta get your you're supposed to be aligned. Like your body, your whole body is supposed to be aligned. And the reason why chiropractors are really in business is because most of our bodies are not aligned. Like most of the human race, we don't have aligned bodies. That's why uh-oh. We gotta start the broadcast again. Let's see here. Let's do this one. Loud cracks. King of cracks.
Okay, next deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh!
Okay, next deep breath
Oh
in.
oh my gosh. Bro, that didn't even sound like a regular back crack. That sounded like, you know when, like, I don't know, sometimes like my jaw will like kind of crack or something, or like something like that. It almost sounds like a crack that would be in your head, like that you would hear but wouldn't sound like that outwardly.
Okay, next deep breath in. All the way out.
Ooh, I'ma like it. I thought that was kind of cool. Okay, so now this is another back one. Oh. Okay. Oh, there's a neck one. Okay, I like these. Okay, this sounds pretty regular. Like this isn't. Oh, okay, that was good. Okay, we got our, oh, this is a whole appointment in one video. Okay. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, well that was, I mean, that wasn't bad. I feel, oh my gosh. Do y'all see this? I know y'all do because it's right here, but let's click on this one. Was that okay, let's talk about this. This is called, what is this called? Cupping. Okay, so that was, hold on, my lash messing up, y'all. We gotta fix. Okay, it's better. So that was cupping, and first of all, I don't understand the need for him to have to like do that, because usually what happens, I've had cupping before, and usually what happens is, I mean, when I used to get it, I got it while I was getting a massage, real bourgeois, but they had good prices up in there, pre-COVID obviously, but I don't have a problem with cupping. I think it's kind of a cool concept, and y'all can judge me if you want to, but I think it's kind of cool to have the little like bruise on you, because it's like your battle scars, you know? It's like I've been working so hard and my muscles have been tight, and this is the result. Some people may like it, some people may not. But I've never gotten that many to my knowledge, and usually they just take them off for you. You don't like just let them all fall off like that. But he had a lot. His back was tense. Ooh, he needs a massage on top of that. That was a lot. His back was that wasn't chiropractor stuff, obviously, but I like cupping, and I just wanted to click on it. So apologies if you have that. What's that phobia of small holes? I don't know what it's called, but apologies if you have that, because that was a little much. But let's see what else. Okay, let's see what else is on here. Oh, the Y strap. I'm excited. I love the Y strap. That's what we're gonna put in next. Oh. Oh, this is another appointment in. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna stop at the Y strap. Ooh. Okay. Okay, y'all. So this Y strap, that was a whole appointment in one, but this Y strap, baby, I've watched a few chiropractors that do that, and it looks scary. Like, it looks like your head's about to dislocate from your spine. But I'm sure it feels so good, because like your head is not gonna your head's not just gonna be like, peace out, homie. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna just fall off your body. Like, so I want to get the Y strap. Like, I feel like apparently a lot of people that do it say it literally cracks from like all the way up to like all the way down. Like, some people even feel it in their lower extremities, legs and everything, and some people just feel it to the base of their spine. But regardless, I feel like I need that. I need all my vertebrae to just be separated for a second to realign themselves, because yeah, I really want that actually. Let me know what y'all think about the Y strap, if you have ever heard of it, in the comments. Let's just have a whole chat about the Y strap in the comments, y'all, because I'm intrigued. I'll just say it, I'm intrigued. Okay, this one, I don't know if this is, oh. Oh. That wasn't my favorite. He was using the little thingy to like make it sound like he was cracking stuff, but he wasn't. But this says it was put out June 28th. I'm like, where are their masks? Like, interesting. Put on your mask, everybody, please. Please wear a mask, please. Okay. Now it's saying, oh, let's do chiropractic. Ooh, another Y strap. Okay. Oh. Let's watch that. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is the same girl that got. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. That was a lot. Okay, wait. Let's pause it for a second. This is the same girl we saw that got the back crack that was like very audible, like you could really hear it, almost like it was in your own head. This is another one of those compilations where you get the whole appointment in one. So let's play this again. Oh. 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 Her bones are loud. Like, geez. Wow. Yeah, she got some loud bones for real. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Oh yes, this is my favorite woman. This is my favorite chiropractor, y'all. I want to go to her one day, like for real, and I want to film my experience. Her name is Dr. Mondragon. Shout out to her. Dr. Mondragon, if you're watching this, I don't know if you will ever, but like, keep doing it because I love watching her videos. She's my favorite. And she does like she does all of it. She doesn't just crack the bones, y'all. She gets deep in there and gets to the real problem. That's why I really like her. Okay, we're gonna click on one of her videos. Oh.
Good. It's cleared out most of it. There it is.
Oh yes.
Oh, there it goes. Perfect.
Oh, the shoulder. Classic. Okay, now y'all might be a little fazed by the fact that she's using her body weight and she's using this little tool. Sorry. She's using this little tool in the beginning, but I've seen a multitude of her videos, so I'm not fazed by this. I think she's great. I'm gonna like this and I'm gonna follow her because she's great. Like I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it has been my dream to one day be able to go to her. Like, I'm serious. I want to make it happen so bad, and I will. I'm gonna make this happen because my body, I can already feel. You know what's so bad though, like I be trying to, ever since I've watched a lot of her videos, I be like feeling on myself and I'm like, you know what, that probably means that a rib is out, or like a rib head. I'm using all her terminology trying to diagnose myself or whatever. I'm not saying do that. Don't do nothing crazy, y'all. Don't try to, you know, I mean, I crack my bones, you know, it provides relief, but don't do nothing crazy. This video is not that. This video is not encouraging you to try to baby your head and crack it or something like that.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. And if you do, I didn't tell you to. I didn't. So y'all got that from something else, because don't do that. Anywho.
Okay, so this is gonna be our last little round of finding some chiropractor videos. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I don't know which ones to pick, y'all. Okay, we're gonna go for this dude. Oh!
There you go, good.
Wow.
And this one.
Oh, he said there's more. Wait, what's happening?
That's it. And then this one, your hands go on top of mine. Yep.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Very good.
I know he needed that. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I just be happy for these people knowing that they're getting relief. Like, that's so nice for them. For them. I'm like, yes, like, you feel good. Oh, let's do this Y strap. This has like 2 straps. Oh, whoa. It happened so quick. Oh, this man has some loud bones too. Oh, wow. 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 Okay, let's see. Oh, is this Dr. Mondragon? No. Oh, wait. I don't want to get copyrighted. Let's see. Everyone has a mask on, so that's always good. Let's see. Okay, this one, I'm gonna click on this one because it says watch to the end, so it's making me feel like something's gonna happen. Oh, that was it. Wow. I guess his ankle was out of place or something. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna find one more. I'm trying to find a good one, but I don't know if they're any gonna be good. Alright, let's finish with the Y strap. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. This man's joints were wow. Okay. So I guess we're done. Cool. Thank you for watching this video. I know that this was something that was very different. I kind of took a risk doing this video. But I was like, you know what? I want to just come up with something new. I've been seeing people react to TikToks, and I'm gonna react to something that I kind of like watching at times. I love watching a good chiropractor video in my free time. Okay, y'all might think it's weird. I think it's kind of cool. But yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, do not forget, sis, to hit the like button, the thumbs up button, and you guys, I did not do this in the beginning of my video, but you guys do not forget to hit that bell notification, sis, okay, so that you can get updates when I post all of my YouTube videos. Okay, we are growing, we're becoming a family. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. Y'all are so sweet, man. Y'all just be making me feel like, you know, y'all got my back and I got yours too. Okay, ask me anything, sis. We're good. Like, I just want to thank you for coming and watching this video today. There will be much more content coming, sis. I have ideas. Please put ideas down below, and I'm serious, y'all. Like, I'm serious. Do it, because y'all don't be doing it and I'll be like, well, what do they want to see? You know what I'm saying? So make sure that you put what you want to see down below. I have some content coming, but I also want to do what y'all want to see. So I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Mwah.